Hello, everyone. Hello from weekend. So, what are we doing talking today into this interesting session? So, you might have heard Grafana has launched Kubernetes monitoring film chart version 4.0 last week only. So today's Sunday, so perfectly 6 to 7 days ago. Now this is a very big change that they have given. It's a major upgrade, and a lot of things have changed. You can actually read about this complete blog post, what is happening in this new Helm chart that they have rolled out, and you can install into your cluster, Kubernetes cluster, and get the complete monitoring onto your endpoint, and then see it on Grafana. So they have given everything in a greater detail, but let's understand what are the things that has been changed, especially from the OpenTelemetry endpoint specific. They have changed certain, map endpoints to, and how we can migrate whatever existing Helm chart that we have from V1, V2, V3, and to V4, which is the latest and the greatest version. What are the things that they have changed? You can simply follow this block. But what today we'll be doing we'll be doing the practical implementation of this from chart 4 onto a K3D Minikube cluster so that you can mimic the same and see how you can migrate your existing Helm chart. And just off the record, you will find so many, theoretical articles on this Helm chart changes into your LinkedIn or other posts, but nobody's talking about how to do that migration. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to do that migration technically, and we'll give you the source code into GitHub. So stay tuned. You will, definitely understand the theory plus as well as the practical implementation of this Grafana monitoring Helm chart version 4.0 on Kubernetes. Let's get started. So assuming I have a mini cube, sorry, K3D cluster basically, and I have a cluster up and running, I will create a namespace called as suppose, monitoring, right? And then I will get into that monitoring namespace. So my sessions are really quickly on to the implementation. I will go to this Grafana cloud, right? And then this is where I am. Okay, perfect. And now what was the change that is, really being talked about? Now assuming that you already have Grafana film chart installed on your server, and normally this is the, command that you need to run to, let me move this. Yeah, this is the command that you normally run to install your Helm chart into your machine, right? You need to add the Grafana repository and then install the Helm chart with the cluster values.yaml file. Now there's a slight change. If you run this thing again with the same cluster file that you were having it, then it will run with an error. So they have given you a proper migration, URL so that you can migrate your values accordingly. Now this is that migrator that they're talking about, right? Now suppose for V1 I was having this cluster value.yaml file for version 1. Then I need to come here, paste it this, and I will get a V2, V3 version of this same chart because I was having V1. Now suppose we need to move from V2 to V3 to V4. Now I will copy this, which has been generated by this, and then paste it here, and then I will click this V3 to V4, and then I'll get the values.ml file for my V4, which is the current Helm chart. Now if I see this, okay, which is nothing but this one, okay, what they have done, changes. They have actually removed all the map on listing with the listing with the maps, and they have given a new names called as destination where your metrics will go. Metrics will go to your Prometheus instance. This is the I have taken Grafana Cloud. You can take anything else, and logs will go to Locky. And then what are the other collectors that they have? We have given alloy metrics, alloy logs. Okay, I'm saying file system log reader, and alloy logs will be installed as a daemon set. Metrics will be installed as a stateful set. And then what all other matrices I'm enabling, especially the telemetry services. I'm enabling the cube state matrix film chart. I'm enabling node export film chart. You can use simply this YAML file into your, and then I can give my name, okay, and then cluster events, and then yeah, these are the integrations that it has generated. So all this thing has been generated by that migration, endpoint. Perfect. Since I'm sending everything to my Grafana cloud, so I need to have these, password for my endpoint. So I will copy those passwords, which I already have it. I think I have saved it somewhere. If I'm not wrong, yeah, these are the ones. So let me do a copy paste, right? Equals to. I will delete this, so you don't need to copy these API keys, and then copy paste this thing here, correct? Save it, and then simply Now I will run this Helm chart, right? So this is the one, this thing you have already done it. No need to add and run this repo upgrade. Still I can do it again, no problem. And then I will install this Helm chart with this new values.yml file into my machine or into my Minikube cluster. If I see k get nodes, it's a single node cluster, okay. And then I will run this. It will run the Helm chart and it will install with those values.yml file into my cluster, and hopefully it should send the data to my Grafana cloud. So this is my Grafana cloud, which I have already opened. If you do not know how to generate those API keys, you can actually come here onto your Grafana cloud instance. Again, I'm talking about Grafana cloud because um, I want to send the data to Grafana cloud. So you can come here at home and then you can manage your stack and then create those API keys if you do not know how to do it. So you can do those things from here, manage plan, and then you can go to your stack. This is your Grafana cloud stack, and then you can click here, and then you will get all those details that I have pasted in the cluster values underscore v4.yml file. Okay, so you get this endpoint, you get this API key, and then you can generate the API token. It's simple. Okay, so let's get come back here. Let's see whether it has installed the Helm chart. Okay, it is installing. It is taking some time. Now you can see the Helm chart installation has been completed. The KTS monitoring Helm chart has been installed. Let's see what are the things that it has installed. It is installed your node exporter. Let me see the Helm list. How many Helm charts have been installed? It has installed the KTS monitoring, and beneath the thing, you can install alloy logs, alloy metrics, and alloy singleton different Helm charts under the same, so that you can manage these Helm charts separately. And for infrastructure, it has installed node exporter, kubeset metrics, metrics, and logs. Let's see whether we are getting any error in our metrics pod and the log pod k logs pod metrics. I will check it whether we are getting any error here, right? Minus f. Okay, error running crd manager. Okay, I am getting error running crd manager. Okay, so I can see now pod metrics and logs metrics is not giving any error. Let me see the logs of alloy logs data. Okay, perfect. So there is no error in both the pods, especially the metrics and logs which I was trying to send. Now let's go back into my Grafana cloud and see whether that we are getting data. That is the last piece that is remaining, and then we'll simply not do anything. So let me see, run. Yes, I'm getting all the data, which is pretty good. So let's see what all matrices I'm getting. C AWS CubeSat matrix, kubelet resources, and almost everything. Let's see whether I'm getting logs also. Last 15 minutes. Let me see. Let me do some Minikube. I should get the logs also. Yes, I'm getting all the logs. I'm getting all the matrices. Now let's see the dashboards also. Observability, Kubernetes, right? So I should be getting the data here as well. Perfect. I'm getting the health of cluster, namespace, and I can install all the other dashboards also what I want. If I do for last 30 minutes, I'm getting everything. So I'm getting the cost related data also. Not really, because I'm not in proprietary Grafana cloud. So that is pretty much. So the intent of this video was to showcase how you can migrate your older version of Grafana monitoring Helm chart to the latest and the greatest V4 version. And if you get any CRD related problems, install those CRDs one by one into your cluster, and your problem would be resolved. And don't forget to have this URL handy so that you can migrate your Helm chart values from V1 to V3 and V3 to V4 and so on. I hope you understood what I was trying to depict. So this video is all about doing migration and then installing the latest and the greatest monitoring Helm chart of Grafana. Stay tuned and do not forget to hit like and subscribe button if you need more details or more videos on Grafana and anything else. Thank you for now. Stay tuned. Bye bye.